All right, Logan, so last time we checked in with Duncan, he was talking about the battery box and the fitment for the Lotus 7 conversion builds. So I want to check in with you on the progress of our battery box and kind of what you're doing today.
Well, I've been working on this for about a day and a half now. I got kind of all of our control electronics for the box mounted. And most of the wiring's in here. I've got a few little wires that I got to put in still. But right now, I'm loading up the batteries, right?
What kind of cells are we using?
We're using the Calb Cam 72s. They're a lithium iron phosphate at 3.2 nominal, 3.6 max. So these cells are really nice. We like them. And they'll allow us to go like 144 volts with a discharge of like 570 amps.
Awesome. Do we know what the configuration for the parallel and series is?
It's going to be a 1P48S. So they're all in series. We've got 48 cells.
Was there any special considerations we had to make for the battery box on the fabrication, the design, the shape?
We went through a few different ideas of how to fit all the cells in there using some of our prefab boxes that we've done for other vehicles or making a completely custom box like this. We kind of ended somewhere in the middle. So we're planning to use this box. It's kind of a prototype, and we've welded on some extra stuff to get it to fit where we want in the Lotus. But we also, now that we've done this, we'll have a CAD model of this box. So if we want to do just a single pack 48 cell box in the future, we can just recreate this and then get rid of all the weird mounting stuff and reuse it in whatever vehicle, like the same way we did for the Jeepster and those boxes. So, the considerations are really give it just enough space for all the control electronics to be inside. We wanted it to be wired in a way that no matter what, there's no potential for voltage on the outside. So we actually, we have what's called a high voltage interlock. We're not quite using it as intended by like OEMs, but we've got like the power circuit for the internal contactors running through the high voltage interlock of the MSD and the high voltage connector. So anytime you take either of those out, it basically shuts off the entire system inside. So you never will have any high voltage on any of these contacts when they're disconnected.
Oh, awesome. It's sweet. So what's the next step? You're going to get the pack installed?
Yeah, so right now I have to put the cells in. I have to make sure they're all facing the right way so that our bus bars go on and put them in series. And then I have to, bolt everything down, put the bus bars on, and then I'm going to be running and trimming cell taps and, getting them terminated and installed. And after that, shimming the pack to keep it compressed. And then putting on the top, and we're done.
All right, sweet. Thank you for the update, Logan. We'll check back in when you're starting to get the cell taps installed.
Yeah.
Sweet work.